murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you bad. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place getting noisy. You never know, see a little juvenile coulda run in your yard and take a tape and say I blame Panny Lane in the street and the main and the buck him out Jesus Christ. Now make him run, now make him out, now make him sleep even nights more. Yeah, dash him when nobody can find us. You must be sick. And a 17, I jump in at this 45.
Play yourself, I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you're from different.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme here, and they sent me this beautiful, I think this is water wave texture, and this is a 360 wig. It also comes with the, you know those wigs that they have like the straps at the back of it, so you can actually pull it for it to be tight. So if you want to do like an updo with it, it doesn't show like the back of your hair without you having to like glue it down. And for me, I do not like gluing down the back of my wigs just because my hair grows all the way down like to my nape. Like literally it goes all the way down here. So to have a wig like this is pretty convenient for me, and I'm just trying to like turn around to show you guys the back part of it. So basically this is what the back looks like. So if I'm supposed to do it in an updo, then it doesn't really show the back of my neck and I don't have to glue it down, which is very convenient for me, like I said, because my hair grows very far down on my neck. So I don't really like gluing my wigs down in the back, especially if it's a 360 wig, and I would love to do like an updo with it, but I can't really glue down the back of my wigs because for me to do that I would have to literally shave off all my hair basically. So this type of wig is very convenient for me because again I can put my hair up in an updo without it like showing or looking like awkward at the back of my neck. Now before we jump into the installation of this wig and how I got this wig to look like this, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. They sent me some comb, edge brush, clips, their thank you card, some stocking cap, HD stocking cap, and the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. So like I said, this wig is a 360 wig, comes with the drawstring at the back for you to be able to put it in an updo. It is HD lace. It came pre-cut, actually pre-bleached and pre-plucked. I just went ahead and kind of plucked a little bit more. You really do not need any baby hairs, but because I was doing this kind of like natural flip over method with it, I wanted to do a little bit of baby hairs. Like I wanted to do it just as how I would normally do like my flip over weave or quick weaves, so it can mimic like me doing the natural quick weaves basically. But for the most part everything came pre-done with this wig. For the length, I'm going to say it's probably around 16 inches, but I did go ahead and cut off a little bit of it just because I wanted it to be leveled and I kind of wanted the ends to look really full, and in order for it to look really full you have to like cut it basically. But yeah, that is it for like the packaging and the wig. If you guys love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
You're gonna love if you run by me, love. Ready? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, girl. Baby, call me eye to fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan E. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Dance and tease, man. How you want to run like a nutty? I think dance for me and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cash. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your horse I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have burned you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet. You, what you say? When you look up at you, I mean that doggy side, puppy whisper. So hot it in the fire fever. If you can't fast and a vista, tell Afi, Ava, Rabbit, Lego, Queen, Lower, Bodo, Lover, Bodo, Cover, Tattoo, Color, Wow, Summer. Billy P, one up and pull the post. All up one, all of my, all about, Philly, Dilly, Developers, Philly, Dilly, Developers. Somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, you, what you say? By your head, you're not dead. Why? Like a sheet spread, you put 12 left legs that mash up hip head. I go keep my third world girl instead. She sees it, Mickey, so she did it. Lama, Parish, River, Body, Senna, Cousin, Coma, Hattie. When me done, she asked me, say, Daddy. Billy P, one up and pull up. All up, all of my, all about, Philly, Dilly, Developers, fall up. Philly, Dilly, Developers. Somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet, you. What you say? Fever. Wine for me, baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and crisp. Fever. Why you? Wine for me, baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and crisp. Extra, forget me not when it's sweet, you. What you say?
chocolate. Fine, fine, no bucket. Watch your love for like it. Why not more mountain? Your body, chocolate. Go share it in my day. Double see le kilo fe. Why now, my lady? Tell me what's in your body. I'm a damn easy, baby. And you want to give me control. Even want to get hurt. I'ma make up my you. I'ma need your gun, I go my you. I'ma need your gun, do maybe. I don't money days. Do maybe don't go carry belly. Do maybe like one of me see yeah. Come see baby. Make a come, make a come, make a come, make a keep a keep on, your body to carry, make a come, on a make it get it, fine girl, make it over there, do fine boy like this, so if I hear see want I go vex. Okini nafia, okini baby, okini let me, plenty money, okini nafia, okini baby, okini let me, plenty money, toge magewa, motola, Messi agbe oya, palanga money, joya, shade joya, take a wole patako, mama sexy mama, follow me come my joya.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find the one, give you the one you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes.
So this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and once again I would love to thank Luvme here for sponsoring this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Play yourself, I'm not the